Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I am sure you all are happy and healthy. So, today we will start our chapter of EVS, and this is your EVS book, Sunbeam Picture Dictionary A. Okay? So, in this video, we will learn about domestic and wild animals. You know what is domestic animals? Domestic animals are those animals who lives with us in our house. First, we will see the pictures of the animal and try to recognize it. Further, you all will repeat with me the names of the animals which we will read. So let's start. First, we will read domestic animals. Say with me, this is camel, goat, horse, buffalo, cow, ox, cat, sheep, dog, donkey. We will repeat it one more time. Camel, goat, horse, buffalo, cow, ox, cat, sheep, dog and donkey. So students, can you tell me which animal gives us wool? Yes, sheep gives us wool. And which animals gives us milk? Buffalo and cow gives us milk. Which animal says meow? Yes, a cat says meow. And a dog says, very good. And a dog says bhaw bhaw. Right? Now, we will learn the names of few wild animals. Okay? Wild animals are those animals who lives in forest or jungle, who do not live with us in our houses. Domestic animals lives with us in our houses, but wild animals lives in forest. So, which animal is this? This is a elephant. This is rhinoceros. This is tiger. This is bear. Which animal is this? This is bear. This is lion. This is deer. Which animal is this? This is deer. Which animal is this who have very long neck? Which animal have very long neck? This is giraffe. And which animal have unique patterns of black and white on their bodies? This is Z for zebra. This is a fox. The fox are very clever. And this is monkey. I am sure you all have seen monkey around your houses, right? So we are going to repeat it one more time. This is elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, bear, lion, deer, giraffe, monkey, zebra and fox. Very good. Now I'm gonna show you some animals and you're gonna tell me which animal is this. So do you know which animal is this? This animal has black and white unique pattern on his body. Can you tell me which animal is this? This is a zebra, and zebra is a wild animal. Now tell me which animal is this? This animal is brown in color and this animal is very heavy. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, this is a bear, right? Okay, now tell me, this animal is the king of forest. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, this is the king of forest, the lion. This is lion. Now the next animal. This animal is very clever. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, it's a fox. The fox is very clever in nature. Right. Okay. Now, here comes the next animal. Can you tell me which animal is this? This animal has very beautiful in color, and this animal is also a wild animal. You may see this animal in zoo. Can you tell me which animal is this? This is a deer. Very good. Now here comes the next animal. Can you tell me which animal is this? It looks like a monkey, but it is not a monkey. It's a chimpanzee. Which animal is this? This is a chimpanzee. Yes. Now, here comes the next animal. Can you tell me which animal is this? This animal is very friendly in nature as well as lazy. Can you tell me which animal is this? This is a panda. Which animal is this? This is panda. Now, the next animal. Can you tell me which animal is this? These animals have also black stroke on his body, and this animal is of yellow color. Yes, it also lives in jungle. Yeah, you are right. This is a tiger. The tiger roar. Okay, now we are going to revise all of the animals. This is fox, right? This is chimpanzee. This is our zebra. This huge animal is bear. Yes. This is the king of jungle. That is lion. This animal also lives in forest. This is deer. This animal is very smart. This is tiger, right? This animal is tiger. And this animal is very cute and friendly. This is panda. Now we're gonna see few domestic animals. Can you tell me Which animal is this? This animal lives on the branches of tree and eat nuts. This is squirrel. What is this? Which animal is this? This is squirrel. Yes. And this animal lives in our house and bark. Bhaw, bhaw. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, this is dog. Very good. This animal gives us milk. Which animal is this? This is buffalo. Which animal is this? This is buffalo. And the last, this animal is very dangerous. And these animals have very, very, very pointed Can you tell me which animal is this? This is ox. I hope, students, through this video, you all know about the domestic and wild animals. Now, open your books, recognize the animal and tell me the names of those animals. Till then, I hope you will all stay at your home and read as well. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.